So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. And then once you're on this, I have all my drives right here. And then I created a partition of my C drive. So now I'm going to create a partition of my partition. Now to do that, you want to find your partition. Now you're going to right click on it and then click on shrink volume. And then once you're on this, you can now do the size of your partition. What it says in the second box right here is the maximum size you can do. So I want to make it 2 GB, so I'm going to type in 2048, which is 2 GB, and then click on shrink. And then once you're on this, this is our partition that we created of our other partition. Now you want to right click on it, and then click on new simple volume, and then click on next, and then click on next again. You can now assign your following drive letter. I'm going to make it the F drive, and then click on next. And you can now set your file system, allocation unit size, and the volume label. I'm just going to call it partition 2. And then make sure you have perform quick format selected, and then click on next, and then click on finish. And then that's how you do it.